Alright guys, hello and welcome to another Sights and Sounds video here in Costa Rica. Today we're in Tamarindo. Look at how busy it is here in Guanacaste. This is an early 2023 tourist season, nice and hot. Everybody's out, it seems. Everybody's out in Tamarindo here. We're going to do a little walk through Tamarindo, the north end. Here you can see, look at the waves. Look at how cool the waves are. Look at these kids out surfing. People are boogie boarding these huge waves. This is down on the north end again. So check that out. People are just loving it. If this is your first time joining us here, be sure to like, follow, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get notified when we upload a new video of our travels here in Costa Rica. Leave us a comment with your thoughts, requests. If we pass by something in the video, you have a question about it, I'll try to answer it, or anybody else can chime in there. Send us some requests of places you want us to add to the list of places to travel here in Guanacaste. So Tamarindo, where are we? It's pretty close to the Liberia airport, about an hour and a half, I'm gonna say, in good driving conditions. And this beach is crazy good. Like, you got good swimming. So this beach is very accessible if you're coming here to Costa Rica. Being close to the airport is a important factor. If you're coming down here, ask these guys about surfing lessons. I think you'll pay about $40 a head. Negotiate to $40 a head for a couple hours. That's who we talked to on one occasion, and they did a good job. The lifeguards there will hook you up with one of their buddies to do some surfing. So here's a parking lot if you want to be close here on the north end. It's a good parking lot. I think you're going to pay probably about $10 to park here. It's good because there's not much on-street parking. You'll see when we get up to the road here, the on-street parking is pretty sparse. Okay, so alternatively, you can go to these surf shops here, rent a board, rent a boogie board, people cooking stuff. Now this road here is the one road, not the one road, but the main road that everybody seems to use coming into Tamarindo here. You can see people just park randomly, no big deal, Pura Vida, whatever, but it does slow up the process of getting in. But along this road, once you park, there's tons of shopping down here. So again, this is high season, it's dry season, it's hot, everybody's here. This is very busy, it's very busy down here today. Look at that, you've got real estate places, you've got surf places, cafes on both sides, surf shops, massage private room with AC. That's good, AC's good, it's hot out. It's hot out. Massages are good too, right? So there you go. This again is the road coming in. So if you go further on this way, you'll end up in Liberia, the little junction where you can turn left to Hawkes and go through to the Liberia airport. And here's some accommodations, here's some hotels. I'm going to list some of these hotels down below. If you've got a question about one, let me know. And you know what, for this video, let's just go straight down to the Roundabout. We'll do the main drag and we'll end it back on the beach. Now this is a busy town. If you're coming to Costa Rica and you want relaxing and quiet, tranquility, Tamarindo is probably not the beach to head to. Although very close to this beach, there are many beaches like that. See, it's just crazy busy. Crazy busy. Look at all these restaurants you can choose. There's a hotel here, Liberia. We've checked that hotel out before. It's nice, it walks right out onto the ocean there. Has a pool. Pretty cool. So there you go. It's a nice hotel. If you're coming down here, you want to stay right downtown, but there are tons of other accommodation options just further down the street here. If you head a little bit more inland, you'll always find something. Good pizza here. Grab your pizza here, it's good stuff. We've had it before. Okay, cool. There you go, there's some gelato place. So we're getting up to the main junction here, where there's a left turn, goes further into Tamarindo, into the town, if you will. So we're gonna do another video while we're here of that. It's kind of a separate video. I'm gonna show you guys a cool little area you can explore in that video. But for this video, we're just gonna head straight on through. So lots of parking options here, but again, if you can snipe that parking right when you come in, if you're looking to go to the north end, and you can rent boogie boards and surfboards right down there. So that's very convenient, I'd say, rather than trying to fight your way through town. Check that out, boutique little shops. This is a really big like souvenir shop. They got a lot of stuff in there. And actually right behind there, there's a food court type of situation and a shopping center. So this is the road. So if you go down this road, we're gonna put up another video shortly about this road, but that goes down further into town and it kind of bends around and you can turn right and go to another beach. So that's worth it. And all along here there's shopping. And you know what I'll say, you can come down this road and park. We've done that many times when we come to Tamarindo. It's a bit of a headache, you know, because you'll drive down here, there's not any spots. So it's probably better just to go up to the right or just try to grab parking right where you land when you get into Tamarindo. We've had coffee here before, it's good stuff. Now as you get down this direction, there's a lot of restaurants. So if you go down any one of these pathways, you're gonna find boogie board rentals, restaurants, shops, more stuff like that. And this road has actually a lot of high-end boutique kind of restaurants, you know, like look at this outfit. I wouldn't wear that, but it looks expensive. There's some pricey looking men's clothes over there. So if you come down, if you're going out for the evening, you know, if you want to wear some nice clothes, check out those places. I'm more partial to no clothes in Costa Rica. Now here we are at Walter's Bar and Restaurant, Ocean View, super cool. And here's a little tip, if the curb is painted yellow like this, don't park there, because the cops will come and take your license plates. Maybe. It means no parking. So they may take it, and you don't want to deal with that. General rule is just park where other people are parking though. So here's the little roundabout.
Hi, buddy.
Oh, man.
¿Una información?
Oh, no, gracias. So there you go. So if you drive down here, there's a corner store right there. If you're down this way, you need some water. Restaurants all along here. Cool, check out these horses. You can rent horses down on the beach and chug along the beach. And just so you know, Tamarindo has a lot of people selling their stuff going along the beach. A lot of people. Just like you saw when I went into the roundabout there, a guy trying to give me information about tours or whatever. You know, be prepared if you're coming down here, you don't want to spend any money, just be prepared to say no a lot, because it's busy and they know a lot of people are tourists here. Okay, so there you go. Nice beach. So down here you can see a lot less people surfing here. There are a lot of people down at the other end. We'll go check that out for the next video. But there you have it. Here's all the restaurants. So once again, I hope you enjoyed this walking tour of Tamarindo here in Costa Rica. Be sure to like, follow, subscribe. Leave us a comment or request in the comments below. Hope to see you soon here for your vacation. Bye now.